So I got my piece of plywood. I got it cut down at Home Depot. I had to go cut the lengths for my edges. .39 light. Measure twice, cut once. I'm going to use these 4 2x4s for the bed to strengthen it up so that that plywood isn't bowing. I got my 3 sides done. This one here, I'm going to show you how I did it. Flipped it up upside down. I'm going to drill my holes with a bit that is about the width of the screw tip. It'll go right through this and then fasten to the base. I'm going about every foot. Just straight up to catch it, and then I'll go on an angle. This corner is going to get 2. One in the base and one in the side. What I've been doing with the leftover burr that seems to come out of this press board. Just a press board though, but it's what everybody's using, so I figured I'd give it a shot. And just try and make sure that I'm going to get a tight bond between the joints. So I want to make sure that it's all clear and clean. What does apply is a well thought out plan. Get those burrs out. To make a nice tight joint. I mean, that's pretty much going to be my premise, you know. Just because there's going to be epoxy in there, you don't want any leaking out. down this edge. And if you're working with caulk, always make sure to hit that spring at the end of your run. Otherwise it'll just keep running out. Little tip. And any little drippings, just try to make sure you keep it all clean, because the shit will spread, it'll get everywhere. So I got my line. Doesn't matter too much if it's straight. I just want to get some underneath here so that if any epoxy gets out and starts to run wild, that it's not going to get past this bond that I'm trying to create. Plus I'm going to have some tape on this too, so this, it's called ram board tape. It's pretty wide, so I'm just going to give it a try. I was told to use Tyvek, but I went against what they said. We're going to see what happens. So now I come over here, press it against my boards. I'll rest it down, give it a couple shimmy shakes here. And just try to get it to rest right in the bed. I'm gonna add the screw gun. Just want to make sure that it's flush. And I saved the end to caulk until I get it all lined up. And then I'll just come in here, pull it off a little bit, give it a bead. And then something that I learned on the other side is to get this pinned down and in to your base, because if this is up and you put your horizontal screw going through here, it won't go down. And something else also is to have a wet rag. Wet rag with caulk is always good, which I do not have. And I'm trying to make it square, so I have to kind of roll this. Square and level. Now I'll be coming back around to put another bead all the way around, plus I'm going to put the tape. Such is life. Stuck in a tight corner. Working in a tight space here.